Foraging for edible wild plants can be a rewarding and enriching experience that connects you with nature and the bounty it offers. However, it's important to approach foraging with knowledge, respect, and caution to ensure that you are gathering plants safely and sustainably. Here are some tips to help you enjoy the joy of foraging for edible wild plants. 1. Educate yourself. Before you start foraging, thoroughly research and familiarize yourself with the edible plants in your region. Invest in field guides, attend workshops, or join local foraging groups to learn from experienced foragers. 2. Respect the environment. Practice ethical foraging by following these guidelines. Only take what you need, leaving enough plants for wildlife and future generations. Avoid foraging in protected areas, private property, or areas with polluted soil. Do not damage plants or their habitats while harvesting. 3. Know your plants. Be absolutely certain of a plant's identification before consuming it. Use multiple reliable sources and consult experts if you're unsure about a plant's edibility. 4. Start with familiar plants. Begin with easily identifiable and commonly foraged plants, such as dandelions, chickweed, violets, or blackberries. As you gain experience, you can gradually expand your repertoire. 5. Sustainable harvesting. Focus on abundant and invasive species to minimize your impact on native ecosystems. Be mindful of plant populations. If you notice that a particular plant is scarce, avoid harvesting it. 6. Tools and containers. Bring along a basket, cloth bag, or container to carry your harvested plants. Scissors or small pruning shears may be helpful for cutting stems. 7. Cooking and preparation. Many wild plants may need special preparation to make them palatable or safe to eat. Some may require cooking or blanching to remove bitterness or toxins. 8. Allergies and sensitivities. Be aware of any allergies or sensitivities you may have to certain plants. Introduce new wild foods into your diet gradually to assess your body's reaction. 9. Legal considerations. Check local regulations and laws regarding foraging in your area. Some places may have restrictions or require permits for wild harvesting. Foraging can be an enriching and enjoyable way to connect with the natural world and discover new flavors and experiences. Approach it with humility, curiosity, and a deep respect for the environment to ensure a safe and sustainable foraging practice.